Hello, my friend. I'm Jack, and today I want to help you discover something that many learners never hear. Something simple, something gentle, something powerful. Speaking English can be easy, not stressful, not scary, not complicated, not full of pressure or fear. It can be simple. It can be soft. It can be enjoyable. It can feel natural. Today, we are going to make English speaking easier for you, step by step, breath by breath, shadow by shadow. This is your calm speaking space, a place where your English voice can grow safely. Let's begin with a breath. In and out. Let your shoulders soften. Let your mind slow down. Let your voice wake up gently. Repeat softly. Speaking English can be easy. Pause. I can speak without stress. Pause. I can learn at my pace. Pause. My English voice is growing. Good. Speaking English becomes easier when you stop pushing yourself and start supporting yourself. When you stop focusing on perfection and start focusing on communication. When you stop forcing speed and start enjoying clarity. Today, I will guide you through this. We'll practice speaking, shadowing, rhythm, connection, confidence, and you'll feel English becoming easier step by step. Let's warm up your voice. Shadow, slowly. I speak English gently. I speak English calmly. I speak English easily. I don't rush. I don't panic. I relax into the language. Good. The first secret to speaking English easily is this. Use simple English. Simple English is beautiful. Simple English is powerful. Simple English is clear. Native speakers use simple English every day. Shadow. I can use simple English. I don't need difficult words. I can speak clearly with simple phrases. Good. Here are examples of easy English that sounds natural. I think so. I'm not sure. I understand. That's nice. Really? I agree. I don't know. Maybe later. Shadow them slowly. Feel how light they are. Feel how easy they feel in your mouth. Now listen to this. I want to speak English easily. Natural version, I want to speak English easily. Shadow, I want to speak English easily. Again, I want to speak English easily. Good. The second secret to speaking easily is rhythm. English is not spoken word by word. It flows. It moves like water. It connects sounds the way music connects notes. Shadow these with rhythm. How are you today? I'm doing fine. That sounds great. Can you help me? I'll see you later. Feel the flow. Feel the smoothness. Now let's practice easy, natural speech, real English that you will use every day. Shadow. Hi there. Nice to see you. What are you up to today? I've been practicing my English a little. I'm trying to speak more easily. I want to feel more comfortable speaking. Good. The third secret to speaking easily is slow speech. Not slow because you don't know English, but slow because you are in control. Slow speaking is confident speaking. Shadow. I can speak slowly and clearly. I don't need to rush. My words are gentle. My speaking is calm. Good. Now let's train easy conversation patterns, the ones you can use anywhere, anytime. Shadow. I think so too. That's a good idea. I'm not sure about that.
I'll try my best. Let me check. I'll get back to you. These phrases make speaking effortless because they are natural, universal, and simple. Now let's practice connecting ideas. This creates flow in fluency. Shadow with me. I like learning English and I enjoy practicing. I make mistakes, but that's okay. I'm trying every day and that helps me improve. The more I speak, the easier it becomes. Good. Now I want to show you how combined sounds make English easier. Shadow these. I don't know to I don't know. I want to go to I want to go. Let me see to let me see. Give me one to gimme one. Did you eat to d'you eat. These are real English sounds. Native speakers use them constantly. When you learn them, English becomes much easier to understand and easier to speak. Now let's try longer speaking practice. Shadow slowly first. I feel more confident when I practice speaking regularly. Now, naturally. I feel more confident when I practice speaking regularly. Shadow. I feel more confident when I practice speaking regularly. Next, I don't need perfect English to communicate. Natural. I don't need perfect English to communicate. Shadow. I don't need perfect English to communicate. Your voice is relaxing. Your rhythm is becoming natural. Now, I want to guide you through a speaking exercise called soft repetition, where we repeat gentle phrases to build muscle memory. Shadow softly. I can speak easily. I can speak without fear. I can speak without pressure. I can speak one word at a time. I can speak one sentence at a time. I improve every time I speak. Good. Now let's practice a short story. Just shadow and feel the flow. Shadow. This morning, I spoke a few sentences in English. I didn't try to be perfect. I just tried to speak slowly and clearly. It felt a little difficult at first, but then I relaxed. After a few minutes, speaking felt easier. Every day, English becomes more natural for me. Good. Now let's do easy conversation practice. Shadow. What do you think about this? I'm not sure, but maybe it's a good idea. That sounds interesting. I can try it. Let's see what happens. Good. Now, confidence building. This is essential for speaking easily. Shadow these powerful lines. I trust my English voice. I am learning at my own pace. I speak naturally. I speak calmly. I speak with confidence. I speak with ease. Take a breath. Your speaking skills are improving. Your rhythm is developing. Your confidence is growing. Your English is flowing more naturally. Shadow these final lines. I am becoming a fluent speaker. I am becoming a confident speaker. I am learning to speak easily. I feel proud of my progress. My English is improving every day. Thank you for speaking with me today. You spoke with calmness. You spoke with courage. You spoke with growth. I'm Jack, and I'll see you in the next calm speaking session inside the Shadowing English room.